The easiest way to purchase a municipal bond is through an investment broker. You might be able to find a broker who specializes in bonds, but any stockbroker will do. They will typically charge a transaction fee from 0.5% up to 3% of the purchase price. The minimum amount you can purchase is usually $5,000 and goes up in $5,000 increments as well. There are two simple ways to invest in municipal bonds. First, you can purchase the bonds directly through your broker. Second, you can buy a mutual fund that invests in municipal bonds. Let's explain. In the first, you can buy an individual municipal bond through bond dealers, banks, and brokerage firms. In some cases, you can purchase straight from the municipality. In the second, you simply buy shares in a mutual fund through a traditional or online broker or directly from the mutual fund company. Mutual bond companies offer professional management of a bond portfolio. The fund manager would study, select, and purchase bonds for the mutual fund. That's it for now. On our website, you can find more posts and podcasts, as well as calculators and other financial tools. Do you consider municipal bonds? We would love to know your thoughts, so feel free to share them in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast channel on YouTube. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.